Alright, so the morning's been good so far. Jude's got Valveoline Restore Protect going in. I know some people are very weird about us doing this with oil caps. So somebody said in one of the videos, boy, they really pay attention.
Take them off?
They really pay attention. No, so like I was doing an oil change, and I forget if I put it on the battery or put it over here, and like, now you're going to put that cap back on with dust? Well, it's got crusties and dusties in it already, but...
An engine
it
is...
It does. On your TikTok. I'm like, you know brake clean does exist, right?
Me?
Oh, either
no,
that...
it's somebody in your comments. I'm like, you could just brake clean the cap off if you're sticking in the dirt or something. Like,
this engine's breathing in dirt all day long.
Well, that's my point exactly.
This is her second prescription of
Engine's
Valveoline
not
Restore and Protect.
perfectly sealed. Like, what do you expect?
Actually, this engine's pretty good. She takes care of it. If you're leaking oil, right, you're sucking in dirt and dust from areas that it shouldn't be. Okay. What do you want? Just fix it?
Start there.
Okay.
Yeah. This stuff.
Yeah.
I guess just fix the whenever with the air.
Yeah. Okay. You have to look at the sign because I updated the digital sign too. April's filling out the permit for the reader board signs, upgrading those. I did put some messages up there that have the words free in it. Yeah, Rachel's eyes, do it again. Do it again. Come on, show your enthusiasm with the free stuff. So the one is if you spend $1,000, it's a free oil change. The other one is Uber and Lyft, 10% off. And that's however way you want to slice it. That's not. It doesn't guarantee them 10% off the whole job. Just a product line or
coupons cap at $100.
just giving you. That's two of the things that we have up there. I don't know if there was anything else that I put up there that was a traffic driver or anything that there is. There is some
Jimmy's or sprinkles. I saw one of those signs on my way home from golf yesterday.
Yeah, made me want to go buy a cheesesteak over at Skinny Joey's in Philly.
Said,
and go get some ice cream over at Rita's Water Ice.
Said,
didn't make me want to go get my car fixed.
Dude, you said this needs there's only one AC condenser.
Yes, it's leaking on the passenger side.
Right.
Giving you a location.
And he said he can't duplicate the customer's concerns on a vibration. And Jude drives a car just like I drive a car and you drive a car, and he went down the highway.
I think it needs to get hot though, so he's going to take it on lunch or something to drive.
A vibration only when the car's hot?
I think so. The way I was asking him, I was like, is it at a speed? He's like, you could hear it when 3-4 miles. And I was like...
You can hear a vibration?
I don't know what 3-4 miles is, so I don't know.
I guess you didn't get that
both.
so far.
I don't even know if he doesn't know how to explain it.
So, in my experience, just to help you guys, if the rotors don't show any sign of overheating, then you're going to rule out that the calipers are sticking. Follow me? You don't see any purple or bluing. He's not smelling the brakes burn, and then I'm ruling out it's coming from the brakes. So, I don't know. So, I mean, I'll drive it and see what else is going on. But
he said it's not a. He said I don't think it's like a balance problem because.
He could go 100 without the wheel shaking?
Yeah, he said it's not at a certain speed.
We did do the tires and tire balance.
It's not on and off, and it's not at slower speed. Or it's not at higher or slower speed. It just happens when it gets hot. 3 to 4 mile drive, you'll feel it. I don't know how to explain that. You know what I mean?
All right, it looks like the old master here needs to go for a ride. Rachel's eyes. What? You put up 3 messages?